Start. It is not disputed by the respondents or the learned counsel in the course of their oral submissions that the date of retirement was in fact fixed by the chairman of the Jal Nigam as evident from his office order dated 23 December 2011. The fact that the chief engineer is an authority subordinate to the chairman Jal Nigam also possibly cannot be disputed. More fundamentally, the court notes that the office order issued by the chairman of the Jal Nigam was itself based upon a decision taken by the board of directors of the Jal Nigam in its 127th meeting held on 23 December 2011. The circular dated 23 May 2014 is not based upon any subsequent decision of the board of the Jal Nigam. The circular in question has also not been issued upon instructions received from any superior authority or in supersession of any other earlier circular that may be said to govern the subject of age of retirement. The circular dated 25 May 2014 does not supersede the office order dated 23 December 2011. It is therefore evident that the office order dated 23 December 2011 continues to hold the field and it therefore must necessarily be held that the age of retirement in the Jal Nigam continues to be 60 years. The issue which therefore falls for determination is whether the chief engineer of the Jal Nigam could have issued instructions which operated contrary to the office order issued by the chairman, which itself was based upon a decision of the board of the directors of the Jal Nigam. The answer to the above must necessarily be in the negative. Learned counsel for the respondents do not dispute and in fact submit that the Jal Nigam is a body corporate whose affairs are administered by a board of directors, whose decisions on matters of policy are clearly binding on all subordinate authorities of the Jal Nigam. They did not rely upon or place before the court any material evidencing a decision taken by the board either amending the age of retirement or superseding the office order dated 23 December 2011. It was also not disputed by the learned counsels that the said office order continued to govern the subject of retirement. The circular dated 23 May 2014 clearly operates to interfere with and eclipse the right of an employee of the Jal Nigam to continue in service till he attains the age of 60 years. The prescription of effecting retirement of an employee upon completion of 42 years is not shown to have any overriding authority as long as the office order remains in force and the age of retirement continues to remain fixed at 60 years. No circular can possibly operate which has the effect of shortening the period of which an officer or employee can continue in service. The impugned circular is not shown to be based upon any subsequent decision of the board authorizing the creation of this artificial distinction between persons who had rendered 42 years of service over.